Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about gradients in CSS3.
Let's watch this amazing video.
In before tutorial I explained about very clearly how to rounded the corners by using border radius, and it's like a very clear explanation, and how to add the background images. Everything was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to add rounded corners in your website. Now in this tutorial I'm going to explain about gradient. That means you all of us know the colors, the mixing of colors can call as a gradient. So how to use in your website? Generally in my website I didn't use any gradient colors. It's like a simple website which was I designed. If you want your website like very stylish, very colorful you want, so gradient is the best. So I'll use the gradient, not taking any text to do that. Just I'll do gradient first of all. So how we can do, of course I'll create a class which is called gradient. So yeah guys, always I'm using class. Dot stand for class. You can use hash also. Hash stands for id. So it's all about up to you. So yeah, I'm using the background color first of all. So I already explained gradient means mixing of colors, right? I want to mix the colors. Generally I'll take background as green color. I want to mix as a yellow color. Is it possible or not? So background color I'm taking as green color. Chart as you which is like green color. So here background image, just take background image and just give linear gradient. Okay, just give linear gradient and keep linear gradient which is called just copy this one or paste this one, copy and paste it, same color, and just give yellow. We reload. If I reload, doesn't matter, doesn't give anything because I didn't add it in HTML. And just go here and yeah, so just take the div tag and give the class of this div tag which is like the class of this. I use it like what, grd. So just give grd because I want to show it the color, that's why I'm taking. And just close. You can give the height here, just give height to 100 pixels. Then you can just control as you can see, because I think yeah, you can give like chartesview color also, and chartesview and green color the mixing you can give. So just copy this one and paste it here, instead of red, and just control s and just reload, and you can see the green and yellow was mixing. So if you want another color and remove this one also, doesn't matter, but just remove and just control s and reload it. Yeah, so because the mixing of two colors, if it was linear gradient was not working, so automatically the background color what you have given it was displayed. So this is the way to do that. So if you want, actually the color was two sides, top and bottom, the mixing of colors you can observe. So if you want right and left, you need to specify that to right. So here only you need to specify that to right, and just control s to right and reload it. Yeah, you can see the two right, that means two right and left was mixing. Now you can see the difference, and you can give, if you want left side you need to give two left, and now it's changes here. You can see that the difference between two right and two left. So if you want like diagonal, you need to specify two bottom right, then it should be like a diagonal. Two bottom left also you can give, and just control s, and you can see the difference. Yeah, it's like a mixing of diagonal. So this is the way to, if you want to give the angles also, you can give the angle which angle you want. If you want it's like a 120 degrees, just remove and tell that 120 deg, it stands for degrees, and just reload guys and see 18 like 120 degrees it is in. So like that you need to give, and you can use multiple colors also. Like I used only two colors, right? You can use three colors to mix up, and just give the comma And you can use, if you want, like this time orange color, you can give orange and just control S and just reload. You can see the three colors was mixing. So this is the, you can give a number of colors, not only that. And you, if you want like blue color, if you want like blue color, you can give blue also. You can mix up n number of colors. Just control S and reload. Yeah, I think you observed. Because I given 120 degrees, that's why the gradient was 120. If I remove this one, automatically it's take like top to bottom and see the difference. Yeah, you can see the difference. The three colors was mixing. If I give particularly about degrees and top to bottom, to right, to left, it was takes like that. I think it's like very clear. You can use many things. If you want transparency also, you can give the transparency. So this is all about opacity. You can give, this is all about. So if your website wants the multiple colors, it's like a mixing of many colors. So this gradient was very useful. By using this tag which is called background image, you can do like linear gradient property. So I think it's like a very clear explanation about gradients in CSS. I think you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll come with another tutorial which is called shadows. So how to add shadows in CSS. So until then, wait for next tutorial.
If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and you're going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you. Until then,